Best free plugins for image optimization. Tiny JPEG is the #1 rated online service for optimizing all of your images through their website. They have recently created a plugin of their own that allows you to optimize your website within the WordPress dashboard, making it really easy for you to reduce the size of your images. You can also visit their website and optimize your pages manually without even using the plugin. Alternatively, you can also use resmush.it. With Resmush, you can simply click a button on the back end and this plugin will start to shred the fat of all of your images, making your website run faster. It's another great free plugin that allows you to reduce the size of your images, and it's completely free. Finally, a very good plugin is Smush, a 100% free image smusher. With Smush, you can optimize images, turn on lazy loading, resize, compress, and much more. Smush scans every image you upload, or have already added to your site, cuts all the unnecessary data and scales it for you before adding it to your media library. And it can also serve images in the WebP format. Follow me and click the link in my bio for more WordPress tips every day.